words, the vowel E is muted. You don't pronounce it. Example, la table. In French, we have la mesa is table. Pero yung hindi mo ipopronounce like tablet. No. It's just gonna be table. Yung last na is muted, so you don't have to pronounce it. So, that's why from these vowels, we have to figure out those that can be muted at last, those that can be pronounced, etc.
So, la table, parang silent siya, Ansel? La table?
Silent yung isa dulo.
La table?
La table.
Ano?
La table.
After ng L. Lagi after ng L.
Oo, yung E sa after ng L,
La table.
hindi mo na may pronounce. Parang sasabihin mo lang table.
Gets.
Table.
Table.
Yes. Ganon talaga siya. So,
Table.
these 6 vowels and don't mix them with the consonants kasi iba sila.